changed to Lama because we're not just doing gaming videos. So it's kind of going to be half gaming, half education. So as you see, this video is going to kind of be about education. But my next video will be on gaming. So today we're going to talk about how to use Google Meet. So however your teachers are communicating, the most popular software used around the world for schools is Google Meet. And I know most people have, for their classrooms, they have G Suite for Enterprise or Education, which is also a very good thing. And they probably use Google Classroom if they have G Suite for Enterprise. If you don't, it's okay, and you just use email. And if you had your students sign up for Google accounts and admitted them from the waiting room or did whatever you needed to do, created a classroom, that's okay as well. So if you click on the only thing we have now, so we're going to be using Google Classroom for this. You guys can join this with this code, so paste this in. The link will be down in the description to join. Anyway, Lama. So Lama posted the class video meeting link, which is also right here. So it says Google Meet meeting, no one else is here, so let's join the meeting. And then your students are going to join as well. So let's open that in a new meeting link. Okay, it asked to join. So it's going to go pling, pling. So this is asking to join on the student page. If you go back here and click admit, sorry, my bad. Then Mini Cooks then joins the meeting. Teachers. Mini Cooks goes back and decides to talk already. I'm not going to talk because it's going to echo. See, it's already echoing. So, Mini Cooks is being really annoying, so I'm going to mute him. So you muted Mini Cooks on the hall. I'll say the host or Lama has muted Mini Cooks. Now these teachers, the only people who have the power. And students are not allowed to do that because they're not supposed to be. At least if the host is a student, then they may mute other people. But as of now, no. Then captions is a very bad function. I don't really like it. I'll show you that in a second. Then I forgot to show you guys. Here you have all the participants. So if you're having a whole class, more people will show up probably. And then you have the chat function. As you see, there's no raise your hand button anywhere on this unless you have an extension with Chrome. I'm using Safari for this right now. Anyway, if you need to raise your hand, let's say the thing is H. You can press it once, and everyone and your teacher will get a notification. Now, there shouldn't be any point in time where you should be going like this. I typed it once. Okay? No point in time you should be doing this. See? It's like so hard on your teacher. So don't do that. Just don't. So look, Mini Cooks. So can you take the messages? That's ridiculous. You shouldn't be spamming H if you need to raise your hand. Just save it once. And look, and this would be once, not like 30 times. This is kind of like the tile view. You can see everyone. You can see who's presenting. Let me show you an example of presenting. So I'm going to present my... Okay. So you can see that I'm sharing my screen, right? Look. Huge echo effect. And now we're going to stop sharing. Now, if your teacher doesn't want you to present, then don't present. Now, teachers also have the power to remove people if they're being naughty. So, or if it's some random person that actually admit them, they have the power to remove them. And they also have the power to deny entry. Now, there's some other stuff. If you have G Suite for Enterprise, there'll be a record meeting button, and you can record the meeting, and it will save to your Google Drive. I am not signed in with my G Suite for Enterprise account, so that's not in this video. You can see, okay, my camera's off right now, but you can see, okay. Standard definition, which is 360 pixels, you can change it to 720. That's what I always do when I host Google Meets. And yeah, so that's what I do. Anyhow, sorry for that. Anyhow, however, you guys can join this, so just take the time. You can look in the description. There'll be a direct invite link. I'm sure you all have Google accounts, so it shouldn't be that hard. I'm going to change it to something else, because why not? Anyway, so I'm sure your teacher will have some way of communicating with you to share a link, or if you're using Zoom, that'll be in a different video. So basically, these are the basic functions: camera off, camera on. And this is off when I slash the microphone. And microphone off, microphone on. The participants and the chat. You can see that this is the meeting information. Or sometimes your teacher will just start a quick meeting. Or if you have G Suite for Enterprise, there'll be a Google Meet link right here, in here. But I don't. I mean, I do, but I'm not signed into that account. The attachments from the Google Calendar will show up there, and the time will be right here always. You can pin it to your whole screen. You can see yourself here. You can see this is me. This is Mini Cooks. So I'll show you the captions feature. Let's just say Mini Cooks being very naughty. I'm gonna remove him. So he's gone. So now I can actually turn on the caption features and show you what to do. So I do not like this feature personally. I don't know if it's even working. But hello? Hello. So this function isn't working on this right now, but it would basically say what you're saying, and I don't like it because it's always incorrect, so that's why. Anyhow, I just don't like it. I don't know why. Don't really like it. Anyway, so that's kind of all I had to say today, but there's going to be more educational videos, more gaming videos, so yeah. You can also join this thing, and you can join this, and we'll post like more educational videos, and we do them. Teachers, there'll be worksheets here in the stream. I'll be posting them as like, if you click create, you guys won't have this option, but material, I'll be posting them like that, and you can go find them, and I'll link them in the description of each video. So I hope each and every one of you has a great day, and please stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.